good. Let's see, I'm gonna get this one right now because these over here.
All right,
Oh
so
my.
well, you got.
Put your butt in there. Now get these down here.
Hold on, we gotta do one. That's that one. This is good. Put those two in there. No, that'll be good. Yeah, just careful, gentle. Just handle it gentle.
Gently.
They both gotta go. He's fighting you. He's trying to reach up and get you.
His ass better behave. There you go. Let it go. Let go.
You won't let go.
They don't speak English.
Did you hear me say let it go? I'm going to do some dental work now. There you go.
Oh, you holding
Then
on.
he got the other one. Okay, I got one more to get.
Oh, you gotta get that one out the sink.
That's the one I'm going to get now. By the claw. Where he can't grab it.
Right.
Get your,
Oh, yeah.
get your butt in there. Hey, look out.
All right, get some more, and you gotta put a whole bunch of them in there, Mom.
No, Mark said that's it.
Yeah, we can cook
Yes.
in 2 pots.
Oh, we cooking 2 pots.
Baby, you got to let it go. You can't hang on forever. Okay. There you go. Look at this.
Is it even? How many was that?
Mm-hmm.
That was only like 7 or 8 in there.
You want one
was
more?
they even?
Yeah, one more, Mom.
Okay, give me one more. But let me make sure I get him where he can't get me. See, now the whole pot wanna come. Was that one or just a car?
That's because he held it right there.
All right, hold on. Look, hold on.
Oh, wow, now don't do that to him.
Let's see him crawl away. Let's see him trying. He's trying to get away.
That's not fair. Now I'm getting out of the way.
Like, hey.
What that one is?
Look at the crowd. You gotta say goodbye to them. All right, open that pot up again.
No.
Get
for this one.
Yeah, open.
This-
Get
this
another
going
one,
in that
Mama. Get another one,
No,
Mama.
it's going in that one. Get your butt.
You gotta take 2 of them at a time.
Okay, this pot is ready.
That's
You want to put that one in
you.
here?
You doing both of them pots at the same time?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let me put that one in there.
Yeah, let me get my fingers out the way.
We ready? That's fine. That's fine.
All right. It's gonna be on and popping in a minute. Ooh, some big ass shrimp.
He's trying to leave here. He's ooh.
Yeah, you better get your singing, bud.
Ooh. I can't even get him. Okay, there I got him. All right, he's trying to get out the pot. Hold on, one more. You want me to put him in there, babe?
No. Just leave it like that.
This is a big one, man. I can't even pick him up. Okay, there we go.
Okay. I got everything.